stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Everything seems to be looking really good.
The economy is strong. We're introducing a lot of new money into this economy.
I think what we're seeing now is a rising tide that's actually lifting all boats.
I feel like I'm more optimistic on the tax cut. I think the economy is on the verge. We are on the front end of an investment boom.
And that's exactly what Larry Kudlow said during the housing market. When the housing market started to fall apart, he said, I can't find one foreclosure. I can't find one foreclosure in the United States. Right after that, his whole neighborhood collapsed around him. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. Hope you had a great Christmas. Isn't it nice we can say Christmas again? And nobody's going to throw a rock through your window, living room window, or burn down your Christmas tree. Christmas. And I get so upset when I keep hearing this kind of garbage.
This is a president who cannot get out of his own way.
Really? He can't get out of his own way. When are they going to grow up? I've said time and time again, you've heard me say it many times, this is not a spectator sport. This is about serious stuff. Your wallet, my wallet, the country. This is not about taking sides. This is not a football game or a basketball game. I said it millions of times. Give credit when the president does something good. When he does something stupid, call him on it, like I do. I'm not going to take sides just because he's the president. I know him well. I met him years and years ago. He put me in his book, all these things. But when he does something stupid, I'm going to say so. Because for me to do anything else would be stupid. How do I help him? But see, the one thing, can you come across, go on TV and say something as stupid as this?
This is a president who cannot get out of his own way.
I mean, don't you get it? He's had 81 accomplishments, 12 major categories. He had a tremendous year. Passage of the tax reform bill. We don't know if that's going to be bad. We don't know if it's going to be good. We have no idea yet. When Reagan passed this, we didn't know. When Baby Bush passed this, we didn't know. Everybody said when they passed it, wow, this is going to be unbelievable. But they weren't. I mean, when you're passing a tax reform bill that's going to add another $1.5 billion to your debt, and you have nothing that's going to cover that. In fact, our debt is going up 60% faster than our wages. To increase the GDP above 3% is going to be very, very hard to do. Almost impossible. It's going to be tough. So when he says he's going to have a GDP of 3.5%, it's not going to happen. Now, yes, he may have one because he can tweak it. He can tweak it. He can tweak the inventory like they always do, soybean inventory. They can also do government spending. There's a lot of ways they can get to 3%. But a real GDP 3%, first of all, we haven't got a GDP, a real GDP of 2.8% or 2.5%. The real GDP is 1.8%. It's not even 2% when you do a real GDP. Creation of 1.7 million jobs. They say, that's terrific. That's an accomplishment. Look what he's done. No, it's not. I'm going to call him on that. It's not an accomplishment. Obama did the same thing. Obama's jobs sucked. So does his. They're both lousy jobs. They're not permanent jobs. They're service jobs. They're not productive jobs. They're not in the areas of productivity. They're not in the areas of construction. They're not in the areas of manufacturing. They're not in the areas of drilling. These are the same lousy jobs we've had for the last 8 years. He's taking credit for the Dow Jones record highs. He had nothing to do with it. He had nothing to do with it. It's the Federal Reserve rates that do it. He doesn't control the Federal Reserve's rates, at what price they set the rates. He doesn't control the short-term rate. He doesn't one morning pick up the phone and say, or Obama, pick up the phone and say, put rates at 0% or near 0% so these guys can do a lot of stock buybacks. It's an independent bank. The Federal Reserve is independent. It's owned mostly by 4 major banks who control $13 trillion of all the banking assets in the United States. There's $13 trillion. They control 65% of those assets. Just 6 banks. Over 6,000 banks control the rest. Now, Trump has nothing to do with the market going up. That all has to do with stock buybacks. It's that simple. Print money, take the money, give it to the CEOs of companies, and they buy their own shares back. And when you have less outstanding shares, that means the CEO is spreading his earnings, his profits, over fewer shares. Therefore, it kicks up the earnings per share, which is artificial, which in turn kicks up the stock price. If they didn't do that, the stock price would go down. So to prevent it from going down, they do stock buybacks. And who benefits from the stock buybacks? Not Main Street. The CEOs, the big shareholders, and that's it. Not Main Street. Not Main Street. So when he says that, that's wrong. He should be criticized for that. A rebound in economic confidence, highest in 17 years. Sure, everybody's got confidence, but they have no money. They're using credit cards. They got confidence, but they can't go. So what do? This holiday I see all over the weekend. Oh, shopping's unbelievable. Shopping's unbelievable. Look at this. We're on a run. We're on a roll. Wait a minute. The banks issued, before the holidays, 371 million new cards, hoping people would take these cards and go out and shop and use the card thinking that they're going to get this pay hike in February of $100 extra. And now all these credit cards are out there. They're using them. They're in debt. And now the credit card debt is the highest debt ever, the highest default rate ever. And they got new credit cards. They're going to the malls. And the news is saying, look at this, CNBC. Look at this. Wow, aren't they strong, the consumer? No. Household debt is the highest ever at $12 trillion. Household debt, if you take our 157 million workforce, the household income, 2 people, the breadwinner brings in about $48,000, the secondary about $28,000, so you use $70,000 a year before taxes. And at the end of the day, when he pays all his bills, his credit, everything, he has nothing left. He has nothing left. He can't save. Savings at an all-time low. He can't save. He has no money. So to go buy something, he uses a credit card. This is unbelievable. But he's done some great things. The first thing he did is appoint a justice. And he appointed more judges than all the other presidents combined. And here's another great thing he's done. He's willing to take his boot and put it on the throat of our enemies and leave it there, compared to Obama, who would take his boot off and his sock and give it to the enemy. We'll be right back after this break. Let's make some money.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon. And we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264.
St. Jude helps save kids with cancer everywhere.
I'm from Florida. I'm from Illinois. Where are you from?
I don't remember. I was a baby when I was born.
Donate now at stjude.org or shop where you see the St. Jude logo.
Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil. The Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 Stock Charts.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, we're going to start the new year, and many of you listen to the market and how terrific it is and everybody's getting rich. It's not happening that way. Very few people are getting rich in the stock market. The elitists are, the 1%, because the market is their market. They control 80% of the stock market, the stock value. Very few people, retail people, very few people of our around 160 million workforce own stock. And their 401ks are useless. Why? Because they never get the money out because of the fees. Every time a stock market crashes, anyone in the 401k, you know yourself, have you gotten out of your 401k before the market crashed? Think of the crashes. Did you get out with all your money, or did you stay in and you lost money in your 401k? Of course, you lose your money in your 401k. Why? Because the 401k mutual fund, they want to make sure that you stay there, that you can't get out. It's the only products Americans buy and don't know the price of it. They don't know the quality of it. They don't know the danger of it, but they buy it. They have no idea they can't. If the stock market starts crashing at 10 o'clock in the morning, they can't get out to the end of the day. And here's something worse. With the market, with their stock crashing, they can't make money. They can't, what they call, short it. And you get screwed with tax consequences. At the end of each year, there's distributions. It's a scam, the 401k. So when you hear how wealth is being created in the stock market for people with 401ks, they're richer than ever. But there's something else about a 401k mutual fund. The fees are 20 times more expensive than a simple SPDR ETF. A simple SPDR ETF costs you almost nothing. And if you are way behind with your retirement and you want to catch up, I have a program that works. Try it for a month. I have a great program that catches you up. If you're there, you're worried, you're in your 60s or 50s, and you're worried, oh my God, I'm going to have to work till I'm 90. Then this is a program that works for you. A few weeks ago, we spotted gold. And I said, here's what's going to happen. Trump is going to drop the dollar. He's going to drop it. He told us when he was running as a candidate, he favored a weak dollar. And I said, isn't that strange? Why would you favor a weak dollar? Because a weak dollar is a weak economy. Who the hell would want a weak dollar? But then I figured out what he was doing. He was left with an 800 billion, well, say 600 billion when he got it, trade deficit. A trade deficit's a killer. It is the worst killer of jobs, wages. It killed you. But nobody wants to talk about it. And he knew it was heading to 800 billion. He had to get that trade deficit down. And even getting it down, it's a tough thing to do to grow to 3%, because when you have a trade deficit, there's nothing worse. It kills jobs. It killed 6 million jobs under Obama. There's nothing worse. But the problem is, even if you took that trade deficit, started to cut it and chop it and chop it and chop it, it does no good. Not until you have an oil policy. Not until we're drilling where we're supposed to have been drilling years ago, because we still have to buy 10.1 million barrels of oil a day from foreigners. So whatever we do, how hard we work to keep that dollar low, drive that dollar down, so that we export more goods to keep our deficit down. The minute we start borrowing, we have to go borrow from China to buy 10.1 million barrels of oil a day. That wipes out anything that's good. The 401k is ridiculous because you only can go one way with it. You only can buy. You got to be in a position with a stock that not only can you buy, but you can make money going short. And that's what this program offers. I have a program. It's called my MV2 program. And it's a video program. We're starting a new stock, a new gold stock. Let me just give you some of the gold stocks we started a couple of weeks ago. And I'm not suggesting every gang member made this profit. What I'm suggesting is when it turned green, the day it turned green to where it is now, this is the profit center of that stock, and we identified when it turned green. When a gang member decides when he wants to pull the trigger, that's up to him. We tell him by video to pull the trigger, when to pull the trigger. We do everything. You haven't even got to think. Nugget's up 31%. GDX up 8%. AU is up 9%. AUI 28%. I'm not suggesting every customer, every gang member made that kind of return. Let's say every gang member made 5% in the last 2 weeks. I think that's pretty good. Let's cut it all the way down to 5% each. What's wrong with that? Not a thing. That's terrific. 5% return. All you had to do during the day while you're working or at home or watching TV. Gee, I wonder what Phil wants me to do with GDX. So you go, philsgang.com, you click on the home page, there it is, MV2 video. Click on, there's the video about GDX. I tell you exactly what to do. What's that, minute? Not even a minute. And you go on with your life. So you can catch up. And the fees, the thing is, the fees are almost nothing. When you're deducting 2% a year for investment costs, then pay 0.25% of what's left to Uncle Sam, you lose 2% to inflation, you're left with 1% a year. With a 401k, it's going to take you 70 years to double your money. The impact of fees cannot be understated. Even Tom Brenna, who founded the 401k, said that. Not only did he say that, he said the experiment of 401k has failed because it's a sham and it's one of the biggest skimming operations in the country. So join my gang. It's $39.95. And what I'm going to do, because we're coming to the end of the year, I'm going to give you a little Christmas present starting today, and I'll shut it off between now and, 1 or 2 days. I'll give you free for 30 days. You have to be a member, $39.95, and then you get the MV2. You can use it for 30 days starting now.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Here is the number that you need, okay, to make a difference in your financial life. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. It's $39.95. Join the gang, and why don't you start out with our program that's so successful, it's incredible. It's for people who say, I don't want to do anything, I just want to make money. I don't want to learn because I don't have time. And that's what this program's about. Every day I do a video, and I redo the videos all during the day, 24 hours a day. We redo the videos. For example, we bought gold when our chart, our MV2 chart, it showed us the institution buyers were coming in and buying gold, AU. It went up over 10%. It showed the institutional investors were getting out, and we got out. And guess what? It pulled all the way back. If you stayed in, you would have lost all the gains.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. You know, I'm limited with time. Real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software. I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. This is a wonderful season. Please have a Merry Christmas, and don't forget to remember St. Jude Hospital.
And I really mean this sincerely. We've done a lot together, such amazing partners to us, and just promoting it and letting me come on. It's all part of the giving spirit to help kids around the country. And I know, as grateful as I am, I know how grateful the moms and dads are. So we can't thank you enough for giving us the time. You've always been a great supporter of ours.
Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, we're starting a new year. I just told you that I think one of the most important things for people who feel they're behind and they feel like, how am I ever going to catch up and retire comfortably, living the same lifestyle I've been accustomed to, instead of having to get rid of my car and come. I love these planners. You go in and sit with them. They want you. You've worked your whole life. You've been a good citizen, and they sit down and they take one car from you. They take one meal from you. Yeah, they do. And then you end up sharing your toothbrush. Then you know things are pretty bad. Unbelievable. I mean, it should not be that way. You should not be retiring and thinking, what do we cut back to survive so that my money outlives me? When we're sitting there talking about cutting, and you and your wife are in front of the planner, ask the planner, where the hell were you? You're my planner all these years. I got to sit here and I got to cut a car. I can't go on a 5-day vacation and go on 2. What's going on here? Because they don't care. Nobody cares. Like, I'm not going to guarantee you anything except a good night's sleep. I can tell you when I sit here and I say, look, I know one thing Trump is going to do. Trump is going to keep the stock market going. He's going to double the stock market. He's so into the stock market. That's all he cares about is the stock market. He's going to pull out all stops and move the stock market higher. And if you missed since 2008 a 270% rally, and you missed from 1 year ago when he won that November night, been a year, and you didn't jump into the stock market and you stayed with these stupid 401ks, or worse, a bond, or worse, one of these stupid programs where they tell you, never worry, you'll never lose money. The market can go down and you keep your principal. Annuities, that's one of the worst. Man, what a con job those are. There's nothing easy in life. No one's going to say to you, and mean it, that you'll never lose money in the stock market. That they'll guarantee you never lose principal. It doesn't work like that. You may not lose your principal, but you don't make any money. They make it all. Read the fine print. They'll limit you to how high the stock market can go up. They'll let you keep 2%. They get the other 268%. How do you think they can guarantee something like that? There's nothing easy. But I did develop a plan that at least catches you up. At least gets your kids involved early. It's my MV2 video stock. And last week, or 2 weeks ago, we started with AU. It's up 9%, AUI 28%, GDX 8%. These are all gold that nobody was buying gold. Because we could see the money was coming in, and we said, let's pull the trigger on it. And for my students, now I say, let's just use an average. I say they all made 5%. What is wrong with that? So you got to, before January 1st, you got to get your mindset. You got to get your mindset. Being poor, is a mindset. You got to get rid of that one. Being poor is a mindset. All you've got to do is say, what did Phil say about my video stock today? So we got some video stocks. So I got a new one I'm looking at, gold ABX. That's going to be on my video tonight. A new video stock, ABX Gold. All you do is take one. Don't take them all. I have one video with 4 or 5 stocks. Just select one. Doesn't matter. I don't know which one's going to do better. You don't know which one's going to do better. If we dug J.P. Morgan up, he couldn't even get a vote on it, which one's going to do better. We know that all we are certain of, the institutions are bringing cash into these stocks. What's wrong with that? So even if you made 5%. So here's the number. Till 5 o'clock today, I'll give you this MV2. It's my chart. It's normally $29. I'll give you it free for a month. You just got to have a membership, $39.95. And then with that video, you go to it, click it on. You'll have it free for a month. And I give you the instruction. You decide which stock I'm working on that you want to be engaged in. And do nothing more or nothing less than I tell you. If you just stay with what I'm telling you, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, okay? You can catch up. Honest to God, you can catch up. The biggest problem, too, everybody's looked for dividends. That's another, what a big misconception. People actually buy stocks because of dividends? It used to be years and years ago that was fine. Because years ago there was only a few sectors, like tech, okay, that gave great dividends. Not all companies gave great dividends years ago. A couple sectors. That's all, just a couple sectors. But dividends, people think, higher the yield. Oh, look how high that yield is, that bond yield. I'm going to go get it. It's not always true. The higher the yield, the better the dividend, the stock? No. That's not always true. More often than not, investors, you're lured in by this, what they call the value trap, a high yield dividend. You can't wait to it. You don't even care about the stock. You don't care if the stock sucks. You don't care if the stock's falling apart. You want that dividend. You want that dividend. Those days are gone. Those days are gone because, again, there's only a few companies and a few sectors 20 years ago that did that. It's not like almost every company pays a dividend today. A sharply falling stock price, when you see, is telling you the reason it's fallen is because of the yield. Look, dividends are not that easy. just to buy. If it was that easy, just go buy a stock with dividend. And you keep reinvesting and reinvesting, and you're going to make a lot of money. Everybody'd be rich. The first step in your research should be to check out the payout ratio. The payout ratio is how much of the company's net income is going to be the dividend payment. For example, if the company makes, let's say, $1 million a year in profit this year and pays out $200,000 in dividends, the payout is 20%. If the company makes that same amount but is paying out $2 million in dividends, that payout ratio is 200%. What are you, nuts? People go after that stock all day and think, oh, boy, this is the one I need. No, that means the company is going into debt just to pay the shareholders' dividend that is not sustainable and it's heading for bankruptcy. Dividends are not easy. There's a lot more to a good dividend stock than a high yield. As I said, the great misconception. Only mature industries, used to be only mature industries, pay reliable dividends. Just the real big boys. And remember, dividends now, today, it's no longer just mature, great industries paying dividends. You take companies that are in new companies or old companies that are in trouble. They try to attract investors with high dividends. Like I said, in the past, many mature and stable dividend-paying companies were utilities and telecommunication. That was it. No more. It was always telecom, utilities, That's where you went to get dividends. Today, in every size, every shape, every form, everybody's paying dividends. It's a con. How are you going to figure it out? You don't have to. Because here's what you do. You take my chart. And when I put up the stock in my MV2 chart, again, it'll be up to 5 o'clock tonight, then I shut it off at 5 tonight. Now, I may do it again tomorrow. I don't know. It depends on how many signups I get. But this is a beautiful thing. I'm going to put up another gold stock, ABX, brand new. It's $14.59. Beautiful pattern. Institution money's just coming in. I will give instructions on this stock after the show tonight. I'll do a video. Please do exactly what I tell you to do. Takes you, 20 seconds to do it? Don't think about it. Just do what I tell you. Nobody else has the guts to do that. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. If the line's busy, keep trying, because we will shut it off at 5 o'clock. Then I'll make a determination tomorrow. It's not a game. Depends on what kind of mood I'm in, I guess. I don't know. All right, listen. Again, here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Start the new year correctly.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon. And we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil's Gang. Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. I'm limited with time, real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software. I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG, $39.95 for your membership, and for 30 days you get the MV2 charting program, the MV2 video program. It's $29. You get that free with your membership for 1 month. Start following me tonight with the video stock ABX. That's a gold stock. Okay, we started with some gold stocks a few weeks ago. They're doing terrific. Okay, just try it for a month and see if that could be your answer, especially those who feel they got to catch up and they're never going to catch up. They feel it's impossible to catch up. Well, it's impossible if you're sitting there and think about it. You put $25,000 in your 401k, and let's say you got lucky with an average return of 7% over 35 years. Your account balance should be $227,000. Oh, really? How about deducting the fees? For each 1% 401k fee, you lose 30% of your retirement fund. The average is 2 or 2.5%. Therefore, after the 2%, just use 2%, your $227,000 drops to $113,000. Are you nuts? And returns? Let's compare the spiders since 2008. Okay, on the spiders alone, since 2008, been 13.7%. Compare with your 401k mutual fund. It's been about 5%, but you'll never get that 5%. It might as well be 500%. They'll never let you out in time. I want to do something quickly here. Again, here's the number. I'll shut it off at 5 o'clock, 877-600-GANG. This is just for new members only. If you're a member now, okay, this is for new members only who've never been a member. Okay, listen to this. This is unbelievable, the UN. One thing I love about Trump, look, I'm not going to waste my time, go over all of his achievements and all his failures. Time will take care of that. Right now, I want to spend time making sure that at least I give you a product that you can live the lifestyle or have a chance to live the lifestyle you become accustomed to by the time you retire. I want to make it so easy for you. It's video form. You haven't got to think. So that's what I want to focus on. But I got to say something about this UN thing. I'm so sick of people taking shots at Trump when he does good stuff, like the UN. He finally told the UN to go stick it. The $8 billion budget, we have to pay. Under Obama, he agreed. There's 193 countries that belong to the UN. We pay 22% of that budget, which is $8 billion a year. That's right. And you know what the majority pay? 1/10 of 1%. That's their bill. They get 1/10 of 1% of the budget. We get billed 20% because Obama wanted to show he was a nice guy. Really? Well, guess what happened? These nice guys, when Trump said, I want you back me, I want Jerusalem to be the capital of Israel, all these countries don't pay nothing. There's 126 countries that pay no fees. You and I, as taxpayer, pay it through the $8 billion. We carry 126 countries that pay nothing. But guess what? They're the most corrupt organization in the world. When it comes to responsibility of organizations, the peacekeepers, they're last. In fact, they're so bad, they were responsible in Haiti killing 8,000 people. They're the ones that introduced cholera. It was the UN that brought the cholera to them, 8,000 people. The UN peacekeeping force, which we pay $3 billion. We're the ones that pay for all the countries. And the U.S. peacekeeping force is supposed to be on call 24 hours a day. So if gangs in Congo, if the warlords send in their gangs and they pillage the villages and they rape and kill the women, within minutes, the UN soldiers are supposed to be there. Well, guess what happened? They don't show up. Instead, they join the gangs, and they do the raping and the killing themselves. Yeah, the UN soldiers. And the UN soldiers did that in Bosnia, Burundi, Cambodia, Congo, all of that. All of that. And UN soldiers get paid 32% higher wage than our own militaries, than our own Marine, our own sailor, our own soldier. It's the most corrupt organization. The UN personnel, they make a fortune selling to the warlords ammunition and rifles and even tanks. And guess what? Nobody can police the UN. And when the United States called for a vote to clean up the corruption, even though we pay 20% of the budget, we still only get one vote. And the people the 126 countries who pay nothing, they're deadbeats, they get the same vote as we get, and we could never get rid of the corruption. And finally, Trump puts his foot on UN's throat, his boot, and says, take this. We're going to back off $235 or $280 million out of that budget. This is just the very beginning. The same thing with Iran, Hezbollah. When the year that Obama took office, the CIA, the DEA said for 1 year we've been working this top secret DEA facility in Virginia. We've been doing wiretaps, undercover operations, informants to track the cash from Iran to Hezbollah back to the United States. We're tracking it. And when the DEA was convinced they had the cash, they knew what banks they're in, they wanted to go snag it, they wanted to get a warrant. Guess who stopped them from getting the warrant? Arrest warrant and freezing all that money? Eric Holder and Obama. Surprise. They didn't want to disturb Iran. They didn't want to upset Iran. Instead, they gave Iran $4 billion, remember, whatever that crazy number is. So Obama and Eric Holder threw huge roadblocks in the way of the DEA and the CIA. They couldn't get up. The DEA couldn't get approval for significant investigations, prosecutions, arrests, because Valerie Jarrett, an Iranian, right-hand person of Obama, been with him since he's a kid. She's his mother, got him up through Congress. She's Iranian-born. Her family, remember, is Iranian-born. Her family ran a communist newspaper in Iran. And remember, it was her parents' newspaper and uncle's newspaper that got all the people in arms against the Shah and threw them out. And she's still very active with Iran. But here's another problem nobody knows about. They won't report it in the press. The Carlyle Group. Do you know the Carlyle Group? You know who they are? They're huge. They're in Washington. Anybody that was in politics, Kissinger, Baker, who was the famous Baker for Watergate, anybody, the Bush family, they all own shares of the Carlyle Group. It's the who's who of Washington. The Carlyle Group is a big guns running money laundering operation around this world. And they also sell guns and ammunition, and they help launder money for Hezbollah and all these other organizations, including Iran, to go in and get these warrants. Would have been warrants against the Carlyle Group. That's why it was stopped dead, Eric Holder. And remember, Eric Holder stopped it because the Carlyle Group is their client. So why am I telling you all this? What's this got to do with finance? Nothing. It's nice to hear. You get that information. You get upset. But when you go to bed at night, it's not going to help you. Because you got the same problem when you go to put your head on the pillow at night. How am I going to stay retired? How am I going to stay retired? I got to work till I'm 90. Are you nuts? Look, here's one thing I do know. Trump is going to make sure that oil goes up, and boy, oil has been going up. Been one of our biggest winners. He's going to make sure the dollar keeps dropping. He's going to keep pushing. He's got to have a weak dollar to push oil up, to push gold up, to make sure that we don't have a trade deficit. He's got to. So let's take the oil sector, the gold sector. I'm inviting. Yes, all these things I just told you, they're all important to know. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to when you put your head on that pillow and you talk to yourself, say, how am I going to do with retirement? Gee, I thought I'm invincible. I thought I could work forever. I'm already 65 years old, or I'm 70 years old. God, I can't even get up anymore. Oh, my arm hurts, my arthritis. And you think, how am I going to get enough money? I'm really way behind. I promise you this program will help you catch up. Try it for 30 days and see. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. I'm not going to promise you anything. But I'll promise you access to a great idea that's going to be free. No, nothing's free. What am I talking about? You got to go $39.95 to join the gang, and you get that chart, the MV2 chart, and you get that free for 30 days. You just come in anytime, hit where it says on the homepage, MV2 video chart. Click it. There's your stock, the one you decide to select. Then I say I'm going to do a new one tonight. Look, this is a way for you to, it's an alternative. I'm not telling you to get rid of your phone, okay, but it's an alternative. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG. If the phone is busy, just keep trying. Or you can just go ahead and join on our webpage. Everybody does that. Join our webpage. But try it, okay? I will shut it. It's 4 o'clock. In another hour, 5 o'clock, we'll shut it off at 5, okay? But get started for the first of the year right. At least you got an alternative, okay? All right. We'll see you on the charts. 877-600-GANG.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.